Life in deserts. A desert is a region which experiences low rainfall, less than 25 centimeters, extremely harsh temperature conditions, and supports scanty vegetation. Depending on the temperature conditions, these can be classified as hot deserts, Sahara, or cold deserts, Ladakh. Life exists here only wherever availability of water is assured. Sahara. Sahara is the world's largest desert. It covers an area of approximately 8.54 million square kilometers and stretches across several countries of Africa. Besides vast stretches of sand, the area is also covered by vast stretches of pebbles and gravel and also high plateau with bare rocky surface. Several oases are found here and these are the sources of fresh water for the people. River Nile flows across the eastern region and River Niger forms the southern borders. Lake Chad, the only freshwater lake, is also located on the southern border. Climate, natural vegetation and wildlife, people. Climate. The region experiences extremely hot and dry climate. Rainy season is very short and marked with clear cloudless sky. The range of temperature is very high. The lowest temperature on a winter night could be touching 0 degrees, whereas the day temperature in summers could rise as high as 55 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is very low and varies from area to area. The northern part may receive winter showers, whereas the southern part gets rain in summers. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Sahara region is dominated by cactus, date palms and acacia plants. However, in the oasis areas, vegetation can be thicker. Plants have long roots, thick barks and tiny waxy leaves. This helps to reduce the rate of transpiration. People. Despite the harsh climate, life in the Sahara is quite active. Animal rearing, cultivation of crops, trading and mining are the main occupations of the people. The Bedouins and Tuaregs are the main nomadic tribes who are generally engaged in animal rearing. The animals provide milk, meat and hides. Permanent settlements exist on the Nile Valley in Egypt and in the oasis areas. The availability of water facilitates cultivation of crops like rice, wheat, barley and beans. Apart from dates, several fruits like figs, olives, apricots and some vegetables are also grown. Cotton is cultivated in the fertile Nile Valley. The discovery and exploration of oil has helped in developing the economy of several countries of Sahara. Ladakh. Located in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir is the region of high mountains known as Ladakh. Lying north of the Greater Himalayas, it is bounded by Karakoram Range in the north and the Jaskar Mountains in the south. K2, the world's second highest peak, lies in the Karakoram Range. There are several mountain passes like the Karakoram and Jozila which provide access to Ladakh. The region is drained by river Indus and its tributaries Shyok, Jaskar, Nubra and Suru. The rivers form deep valleys and gorges. Several glaciers are also found here, Gangotri being an important one. Climate, natural vegetation and wildlife, people. Climate. Ladakh is a cold desert located in the rain shadow area of the Himalayas. The climate here is extremely cold and arid. Summer days are warm with the sun shining very brightly and the temperature above 0 degrees Celsius. The night temperature often falls below 30 degrees Celsius. Winters are freezing cold. Rain shadow area. Rain shadow area means the leeward side of the mountains. As moisture-laden wind reaches the Himalayas, one side of the mountains receives heavy rainfall and is called windward side. The other side, which receives low rainfall, is called the rain shadow area.
Natural vegetation and wildlife. Due to scanty rainfall, vegetation is sparse. Trees like willow, cypress, elm, poplar and juniper are found in the valleys. Higher slopes have grasses and shrubs. Several species of birds are found here. Robins, redstarts, Tibetan slowcot, raven and hoopoe being the common ones. Animals like wild goats, wild sheep, yak and Tibetan wild ass and antelopes are found here.
People. People of Ladakh are engaged in animal rearing, agriculture and tourism. Livestock like yaks, sheep and goat are reared by most families. Yak, apart from being the beast of burden, also provides milk and wool. Its hair are used for making tents. Agriculture. Agriculture is practiced in the summer period between May and September. Wheat, barley, vegetables and fruits like apricots, walnuts and grapes are grown here. Tourism. The government has undertaken several measures to improve the life of the people here. Organizing the Sindhu festival every year is one such step taken by the government to promote tourism. Goat. Pashmin, a very fine variety of wool, is collected from the goats. Ladakh is famous for shawls, blankets and carpets.